In this video, you are going to see how to insert hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have a small shape. I want to add a hyperlink over here. Let me click on over here, click on right button and go to hyperlink. Then if I want to hyperlink with a website, it is possible. If I want to hyperlink to a page or picture, it is also possible. Let us hyperlink with a document. Go to look in. Click on over here. Let me choose desktop. Let us choose this picture. Click on OK. Let us show the slideshow mode. If I click on this picture, the nature photo will be appeared. Let me escape button to go back. Click on right button. Go to remove link. Again click on right button. Go to hyperlink and let us write our address www.google.com. Click on screen tip to write the title visit Google. Click on OK and again click on OK. Now if I click on here, then it will show visit Google. I can hold down the control key and click on over here, or I can go to the slideshow mode. Let us go to slideshow mode and click on over here, then it will go to the Google. Let us click on over here, remove link. I can also hyperlink to another page. Click on over here, go to hyperlink. Let me click on place in this document. I want to go to slide number 6 by clicking over here. Click on OK. Now hold down the control key and click on over here. Then it will go to the slide number 6. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.